Hi, my name is Jeremy Broun. In this video I'm going to show how a beginner at woodwork can easily make this useful project, a leaning book stand. Okay, so you don't read books, but it can be used for CDs. Okay, so CDs are a thing of the past, so it's just a nice thing to make that will only take a few hours. Actually, talking of things of the past, I first designed this project for 12-year-olds to make when I was a young woodwork teacher at a London school, and then in recent years I taught a modified version of it at a Saturday masterclass at a comprehensive school in Hampshire. The version I'm demonstrating today is even more simple and uses the same standard size of prepared softwood, but is doubled in thickness for the vertical support and involves end grain gluing. I'm trying out a new glue that's been sent to me that has a clamping time of just 15 minutes. You'll see later on whether the joints need reinforcing. Now, okay, we're using my big bandsaw, but a smaller bandsaw would be just as good, and you can just as easily cut the lines using a tenon saw. There are some key points I'll caption as we go along. Oh, and my young demonstrator has only done about 3 or 4 hours woodwork before, and that was with me 5 years ago. Because this is quite incredible. This will be the envy of many experienced woodworkers. You've actually cut right to the line, and more importantly, you've left the entire line on, because then we know where we are. So when we marry that up onto where it's got to fit, when that glues, given the fact that the wood is very slightly bowed, but that is going to glue perfectly. Well, this simple project is featured in my free online multimedia ebook that's aimed at total beginners, and to remind you, this example was not made by me but by a complete beginner. You can find the publication on my Wood Domain media store in the link below. And while there, please consider purchasing some of my unique publications on a variety of media. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and do the notifications thing.